Hello, Prep Stars. Welcome to another exciting learning adventure. Today, we're exploring something we all need to live: water. Together, we'll discover what water is, why it's so important for plants, animals, and people, where it comes from, and even how we can save it. Are you ready to make a splash in this basic science class? Let's get started. Water, its importance, sources, and uses. What is water? Water is a special liquid that keeps us alive. It is vital for all forms of life on Earth. We need water to survive. We drink it every day, and it is unique because it has no taste, smell, or color. Water can be calm and peaceful, like a still lake, or strong and powerful, like a rushing waterfall. It is truly one of nature's most important resources. Water covers most of our planet, which is why Earth is called the Blue Planet. It shapes our landscapes and is home to many animals such as fish, whales, and dolphins. Our bodies are mostly made up of water, which is why we must drink water every day. Water helps us digest food, keeps our bodies cool, and allows us to stay clean. We also use water for many jobs, like growing food, washing clothes, and fighting fires. Where does water come from? Water comes from nature. Most of it starts as rain. Rain falls from clouds, fills rivers, lakes, and oceans, and soaks into the ground to become groundwater. We can get groundwater by digging wells. Dams are another way we store water. They are big walls built across rivers to save water for our use. Water in our daily lives. Water is part of everything we do. From brushing our teeth to cooking meals and cleaning our homes, we rely on water every day. Water is also important for hygiene. It helps us stay clean by washing our hands, bodies, and clothes. Imagine a day without water. No showers, no clean clothes, and no fresh food. That's why water is so special. It makes our lives easier and healthier. The water cycle. The water cycle is nature's way of recycling water. It starts with evaporation, when water from oceans, rivers, and lakes turns into vapor and rises into the sky. Next, this vapor cools and forms clouds. When the clouds get heavy, they release water as rain or snow. This is called precipitation. After that, the rainwater flows back into rivers, lakes, and oceans, and the cycle begins again. This natural cycle ensures we always have fresh water to use. Fun facts about water. Water is amazing and full of surprises. Did you know water can exist in 3 states? It can be a solid like ice, a liquid that we drink, or a gas like steam. What's even more interesting is that about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. It's a water world. But only 3% is fresh water that we can drink. And here's something cool. Water expands when it freezes, which is why ice floats on water. Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky before? It appears when sunlight passes through tiny water droplets, creating beautiful colors. These amazing features make water truly extraordinary and vital for life. Saving water. Clean water is very special, but not everyone has access to it. This makes it important to save water and use it wisely. Here are some simple ways to help. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth to prevent water from being wasted. Taking short showers instead of long ones can save a lot of water. Fixing dripping taps is a great way to stop unnecessary water loss. Using a bucket or watering can for plants instead of a hose helps conserve water. Collecting rainwater is an excellent way to reuse water for gardening. Every drop of water counts. By saving water, we're helping people, animals, and the planet. Water is life. Water is truly amazing. It keeps us alive, helps plants grow, and makes the earth beautiful. Let's protect it and use it wisely. Thank you for joining us today to learn about water. See you next time for another exciting learning adventure.